Now, if we click on the appointment, we can print several PDFs. The first PDF that we can print is the full sheet list for that patient. And as you can see, there are all the appointments listed. We can print another PDF, which is the remaining sheet list, which are the list of the appointment from today on only. This is very convenient when you have to remind to a patient the remaining appointments. You have a third PDF that can be printed, and this is the PDF with all the records of the patient. In this case, it's pretty empty because so far we didn't enter the detail of the patient Buffett Charlie. In the next session, we will see how to set up all the data for a specific patient, and therefore this form will be much more complete.